how to use an HSA card on Amazon. So I've just gone to amazon.com here, and you want to search for your specific product, or you can just search for HSA store eligible items. Now let's say that you have found your specific product. How can you verify if it's actually eligible? Underneath it, it is going to tell you if it's FSA or HSA eligible. Now let's say that we want to purchase this item here. We will first add it to our cart here, and then we want to go to our cart. I'll just remove this previous item that I had. Now what we want to do is proceed to checkout. And here you should see a different section, other payment methods, and you can add an FSA or HSA card. Once we select this option, it is going to ask us for the card number, the name on the card, and the expiration date. And if you add your card, then you can successfully pay for your product as long as it's HSA eligible. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.